Hello everyone and welcome to my course Electrical Design and Installation for Mega Construction Project. In this course, I'd like to share my practical experience in this field. I have to discuss both the design and the correct way for installation. I'm also interested to cover all popular systems and all related details. Also, for deep understanding, I'm going to give you samples for various types of projects and we will discuss the difference between them. I hope to present rich information for you. I hope you enjoying this course. Let's start. Okay, in the beginning, what is the course content? In chapter 1, we will make fast introduction for the course and we will identify the type of project and the most popular requirement system for each one. And also, I shall identify the staff management and the recognized code and standard and the important document for the electrical works in the project. Also, we will know what is the term MEP mean and the phases of electrical work through the projects. And also, we will get fast look for the important software which is required for proper design. In chapter 2, we will start with the lighting system and we will make manual calculation and practical design within AutoCAD and Develux. In chapter 3, we will identify the power receptacle and the mechanical loads and equipment and the proper method to design and calculation for it. In chapter 4, we will talk about electrical distribution panel and load schedule calculation and the classification of all DB and substation. Chapter 5 for wires and cable selection and calculation and installation included within cable trays, trench, sleeves. Chapter 6 for all the type of earthing and lighting protection system and how can I design it and the testing of commissioning of it. In chapter 7 we will identify the type of power source and the design and drawing of single line diagram. I make chapter 8 for fire alarm system and how can I design it and the correct way for installation. In chapter 9 we will start with extra low voltage system which is called ELV systems and we will cover many of them. In chapter 10 we will take idea why the important document to organize our electric works. With the end of this course, I hope you to take deep knowledge to become a professional electrical construction supervisor or engineer.